Welcome to another one of Tiger Free Cloud Mining sites. This one here allows you to earn unlimited rewards, and they offer multiple ways of earning according to what I'm seeing here through Faucet PTC games, cloud mining, and more. And payments are instant. Yes, I can attest to this because I've tried one of theirs and I was able to withdraw. I've shared the payment proof in one of the other videos. And good thing their payment method is Faucet Pay. So this is featured on Medium, Trustpilot, and LinkedIn. This site so far has a total of 7,117 users, and this amount of USDC has been withdrawn, referral commissions to this tone, and this has been online for 13 days. So you earn every second, you receive free 250 GHS mining power, secure instant payment minimum withdrawals, 50% commissions, and more bonus gifts and bounty. Frequently asked questions are here below. You might want to look them up to understand even better. So these are people making withdrawals from the platform already live. You can see that, right? So without any further ado, let's click on create account here. So you enter your Faucet Pay email address here, then you solve the security question. I'm looking at 2 plus 8. The answer is 10. Verify. And once that's verified, then click on start mining. And we are in live mining. We have received 350 GHS as our mining power, and with that we can earn an estimated daily profit of 18 cents every day, right? So if you want to increase your mining speed, you might consider buying hash power at your own risk, at your own understanding. I will not have anything to do with that because my video is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial expert. I'm going with the free tool provided by this site, right? So it's mining, and once you hit the withdraw threshold, you can just withdraw to your Faucet Pay email. These are the different ways to earn 50% from referrals as mentioned back there. Then the bounty they mentioned, the bounty and bonuses, social media posts, crypto forum, PTC advertising site, website or blogs, YouTube, and all of this will increase your mining speed, make you to earn more in less time. Right? So I believe you might invite link in the pinned comment of the video and on the Telegram page. So you might as well look this up. I've withdrawn from one of their platform for ETH. So I think this one to we pay. That's why I've decided to come out and make this video. So regardless, endeavor to do your research to understand better because I do not own this site. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.